Hello fellow creators! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring MetaThread, an exciting platform, and showing you how to create an account. MetaThread is a vibrant community that fosters discussions, collaboration, and knowledge sharing. Let's get started and join this fantastic community. Before we dive into the account creation process, let's quickly discuss the benefits of joining MetaThread. It's a hub of creative minds where you can connect with like-minded individuals, exchange ideas, and gain valuable insights into various topics. It's an incredible platform to showcase your expertise and expand your network. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of creating your account on MetaThread. Simply open your Play Store or App Store and search for Thread. Once you find it, download and install the app. It may take some time to download, so be patient. Once installed, tap to open the app. When you open the app, you'll see a familiar interface similar to Instagram. It may take a few seconds to load. If you have an existing Instagram account, simply click on Import to import your account information from Instagram to Thread. This will automatically fill in your name and other details. Next, you'll be asked to set your privacy preferences. You have two options: public, where everyone on Thread can see, follow, and share your content, or private, where only approved followers can access your content. Select your preferred privacy setting and click Continue. After setting your privacy, click on Join Thread. It may take a moment, but soon your Thread account will be created. Now you can scroll through the feed, view pictures, chat with friends, and watch videos. Feel free to customize your account info, search for people, create posts, and view your activities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on community building and online platforms. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you thrive on MetaThread. Together, let's make the most of this incredible community. Until next time,